Hi guys, welcome to day 14's math. So today we're going to use what we know about place value to find unknowns in a number grid. So the first thing we always start with every day is a number sense routine. Y'all should know that. So first thing I want you to think of is the number 27. I want you to think about the number 27 as a big number, and then think about the number 27 as a small number. So 27 is a big number when it's the number of people living in my house. And then, sorry, I'm sitting outside and a bird just like attacked my gazebo roof and it was kind of weird and it threw me off there for a second, okay? So, I could say 27 is a big number when it's the number of birds flying at me. 27 is a small number when it's the number of jelly beans I have left to eat. So now I want you to write down when is 27 a big number for you, and when is 27 a small number for you. Okay, and now we're going to work with some number grids. Now my number grids don't look the same as your number grids because I want you to be able to do the work without me. So this is me showing you how to do this work. So as you can see, we have a number grid, and you have a black and white copy of this on the second page of your packet, and it is the page that looks like, I think it says Math Tools on it. And you can see like a number grid just goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it jumps by ones. And then when you go down one, it jumps by tens. So 1 plus 10 is 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. And then, of course, you know if you were going up, you're subtracting that 10. And if you're going side to side, you're either adding. 12 plus 1 is 13, and 13 minus 1 is 12. So we remember how we move on a number grid. So the first thing that happens is 9, 10 plus 1 is 11. And then I have to think, what comes before 20? 19. Or I could say 20 minus 1 is 19. And then I have to think, 20 plus 1 is 21. And then I have to jump down here to this row. And I can either remember that I'm adding tens, so I can go 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. Or I could think about it, 29 plus 1 is 30. Or 31 minus 1 is 30. All right, so now let's try this with one that's a little bit harder this time. So these numbers, if you notice, are not on your number grid like the one before. We don't have the number 236 on here. So I want you to think in your head right now, what could we use on this number grid to help us? Well, if you said we could use the place where it says 36 because we're at 236, then you are right. So 36, what comes after 36? Well, we add 1 and we go to 37. So if we're at 236 and we add 1, we're going to be at 237. And then we add another 1, and we're at 238. And then I have to think about what happens when we go below. So when we drop to the next one, we got 37, and then underneath 37 is 47. So 237, 247. Now I can check my work. 247 minus 1 is 246. Is that right? Yes, so I know that I'm correct there. And then I can do the same thing here. 36, 40, 236, 246, 256. 256, and then I'm going to go by ones, 257, 258. So now it's your turn to try this work. These look exactly like the ones that you have on your paper. So the only thing I want you to notice is that this one right here, on the third one, it says 330 on your paper. Please go ahead and change that now to 320. We have a misprint there. Sorry. That's what happens when we make these packets very, very quickly. Sorry about that, guys. So just go ahead and change that 330 to 320, and then it'll be right. All right, so now it's your turn to try that work, and I will see you tomorrow or hear from you tomorrow.